it's me, Sarah. I'm Atlas. I'm Jen. Today we're gonna do what?
We're making rhinestone sticker art. Look how small they are. They're smaller than ants. And
Of course it is.
And
ants are like this big, okay? A bit more because this won't fit me out. Okay, I'm gonna peel all of these. The first thing I'm gonna do.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put this. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this inside of here, but I have to take off the film.
Yes, stones, rhinestones.
It's clear. So what I'm gonna do
it looks like candy.
Put this in so it can get a little bit sticky.
Thank you.
Press it in.
Bit
more. There. I can show you this thing. Look! The thing is inside.
Oh, I can see that.
So I'm going to... Don't worry guys, the color won't go away in here, okay? It's just for the sticky stick. Okay, I'm just going to put some of them inside. Oh, where's my bag? Oh, here's my bag. I'm gonna pour some of them in because I need to shake it a little bit. See, I'm gonna take off this little guy that's stuck here. I'm gonna put it back in here. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. I think you are so many.
Yeah, too many. Too many stones. I need to put some back in the bag. I'm still working on it. I only did the ears so far.
You did the ears?
The little ears.
Really slow. I think you did it really slow.
Slow and steady.
When's the race?
Exactly.
But this is not a race. 1,000 and
200?
200, yeah.
Yeah, 1,200 students in one school.
Jenny, how did you do? How much did?
Whoa, she's working on the second one already.
I'm kind of having a headache. And later. Ooh.
I'm almost finished.
Almost.
I'm almost finished.
I'm almost finished with the cookie.